Hi friends, welcome to my channel VLSI Gyan. In today's session, we'll see how to use ModelSim. So for that, we have to double click on the ModelSim icon, which is present on the desktop after installing ModelSim on our system. Click on Jumpstart, create a project, give the project name. I'm giving here Demo 1-1. Click on Create File. Select the language. We are writing in Verilog. So I'll select Verilog language. If you are writing VHDL, you can select VHDL. Give the name of the module on which you are going to write the code. So here I am writing a Verilog code for a simple half adder circuit. We'll take the example of half adder. Click OK. Close this box. You will find that the half adder Verilog file is created and you can edit it by double clicking on it. So the editor gets opened and you can edit now. So friends, we know that half adder is a very simple circuit where we have two inputs A and B, and it's a XOR operation actually taking place between the two inputs for sum. So if A is one of our input and B is the other input, then suppose S is the sum, then A XOR B is the sum output. Right? And A and B is our carry based on the truth table of the half adder. So this is the carry, which is nothing but A and B. A and B. When A is 0, when A is 0 and B is 0, both are 0, then the sum is 0. A XOR B is 0. And A into B, that is A and B, is also 0. When A is 1 and B is 0, then the sum is 1 because A XOR B, A is 1 and B is 0. So the sum is 1. And AND gate output will be 0 for this condition. So carry is again 0. When A is 0, B is 1, again the carry will be 0 and the sum will be 1. Right? And when A is 1, B is 1, both are 1, we know that sum is 0, 1 plus 1 is sum is 0, whereas carry is 1. So friends, we are going to write the Verilog code for this half adder. So let's get started. So in the editor, module, first module declaration. So module, you can give the name of the module. I will give here half adder 1-1 or 1-2 we can give. Okay. Then the inputs A comma B are the inputs and the outputs are sum and carry. Now declare the inputs and output ports. So input are A comma B and our outputs are sum and carry. Here I am using the assign statement. Assign sum equal to A XOR B. Similarly, for the carry, assign carry equal to A and B. That's it. End module. Sorry. Save the file. Go to File, click Save. Or you can simply use Control S. Now, we need to compile the code and we need to simulate. So for that, you can go to the top, compile, selected. At the bottom, you will see in the transcript, compile of half adder 1 2, which is our module. Half adder 1 2 was successful, means there was no error. If there was any error, it will show the error over here. Now we need to compile. We need to simulate. So for that, we have two options. Either we can go at the top and we can select, or we can simply give here a command, vsim space half underscore adder 1 2 and then enter. Then here in this box, we have half adder 1 2. Right click on it, go to add to wave all items in the design. You can see the waveform with all our inputs and output ports. So as we have not written any test bench, so we need to give the inputs over here. So click on it, input, right click, select the input, then right click, click on force, give the value. So let us give A as 0, click OK. Same way for the B. Select input, right click, force. Let us take B as 1. OK. Then at the top panel, you have run option. Click on run. Right? So we can see here, when A is 0, B is 1, the sum is 1. Yes, correct. And the carry is 0. Now let us take one more input combination where A is also 1 and B is 1. When A is 1, B is 1, the sum is expected to be 0 and the carry has to be 1. So let us see whether we are getting it or not. So when A is 1, B is 1, we can see that sum is 0 and carry is 1. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.